Alright, the squirrels are impinging on our Kylie time. She's got some yummy rendered beef fat and almost dropped the phone. Oatmeal. Sorry, girl, I'm out of ribeye beef fat. She's like, gotta plan my landing with these turd squirrels all running around. Here she comes. Doink. Go for a soft landing. Bonk. Oh! Almost got Waldo. Good girl. Get that turd squirrel. Here she comes. Dirt, 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 dirt. I've got a white cushy jacket on, so that might catch her. Oh, that is Kylie. Limping on that leg. Poor girl. Damn these squirrels. Doink. She would prefer I was sitting on the floor and then she would get closer. I can't look at her, so I can only watch from the camera. I'll limp on over and hop up if my plan goes according to the idea. Oh, there goes a peanut. You better hurry up, dummy. And the problem I have is I have to hold too much action. I have to hold perfectly still. That's not the easiest thing to do with Lyme disease and ataxia. All right, let's go shoot water pistols at the squirt guns at the turds. They know I'm here. Oh, look, Waldo. Get you. Cheers.